Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of SISTRHOOD furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on a little project, this cute side table.
We will be using Dixie Belle paint and various products and transform this little one into something special.
So stay with us if you want to see how we did it step by step.
Let's do it!
I slightly sanded the edges of the table with an 80 grit sandpaper to remove any imperfection or old varnish. After that, I clean it well with Dixie Belle Furniture Cleaner White Lightening and a toothbrush to be able to clean the crevices. Once I was done, I rinsed it twice only with water to remove any leftover solution or dirt. I also applied 2 coats of adhesion primer from Dixie Belle all over, just to make sure the paint will properly stick to the surface, especially on the leather on the top.
After 24 hours curing time, I started to paint the top with white paint with cotton in 2 layers. After it dried in about 2 hours, I applied Dixie Belle glue all over the top. I left the glue to sit for about 15 minutes and then I applied Dixie Belle Shine in Golden. It's absolutely delicious. It looks so elegant and interesting, unique. I applied peony as a base. I also applied it on the legs details, but no further than that. And I let it dry for about 2 hours prior to the second coat. On the legs, I applied mermaid tail, and at the bottom of the legs, I applied a bit of peacock to have a little ombre, something interesting on the legs as well. I started the second coat again with peony, then I blended some flamingo with a synthetic brush. I added some Florida orange as well, some colonel mustard. These colors are very easy to blend even for beginners if you have the right brushes and paint. These are amazing brushes from Dixie Belle, great for blending and smooth finishes. The next color is mermaid tail. I applied it on the legs first, and with the leftover paint I had on the brush, I did like a dry brushing over the pink details and it looks stunning. It connects these contrasting colors amazingly this way. Then I carried on working on the legs. I applied peacock on the bottom and then I blended it with the mermaid tail. I used up and down side motions until they blended nicely. Then I carried on working on the rest of the table. I just applied the colors as I felt. There is no order, just go with the flow. I also had to apply some Dixie Shine afterwards on these details. It was a must.
I applied 3 coats of getter hide, letting each coat to dry for about 2 hours.
And this is the final result. She will be called Abracadabra. So please let us know what do you think of it, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more colorful, crazy furniture tutorials. See you soon. Bye.